Hello, welcome to the course 10 hands-on projects in React.js. My name is Satya and I will be the instructor of this course. If you are watching this video, definitely you might be having some knowledge about React.js because in this course we will not learning any topics. So we are going to build only the hands-on projects with the help of the topics that we have already learned. So now let's see the topics that we are going to implement in this lecture. So the first we are going to build project on the class components. Then we will be moving into the functional components. After components, we are going to learn about the states and props for the state management purpose. After learning the state management projects, we are going to build a project based on the lifecycle methods. Then REST API, that means fetch and Axios methods. Then local storage, which is used to store our data in our browser. Then React routing, context API, and at the last we are going to build a project which is used to connect our front-end React application to the back-end Node.js. So we are going to use all these topics in this course to build the 10 hands-on projects. Now let's see the projects covered in this course. So this is the first project in our course. It is a simple counter application with the help of class components. So after this project, we will be building a calculator application. It is also based on the components, class components as well as functional components. After that, we are building the form validation. So this is with the help of React forms and hooks. Then navigation bar. It is completely related to the UI part. Here in this application, we are not focusing on logic. We are focusing only on the UI part. So it is the complete navigation bar. So after this navigation bar, we are building a simple to-do list application with the help of React functional components and the hooks concept. After to-do list, we are entering into the HTTP protocols. So with the help of HTTP protocols fetch, we are going to build this React meals application. So it is one of the restaurant application. After this, we will be building a COVID stats application. So we are going to get the data from the external API provided by the World Health Organization. So with the help of that API, we can get the data and we can represent the data in this tabular format like this application. After that, Facebook authentication system. So we are going to implement this Facebook authentication system with the help of local storage. And at the last, we are going to see Node.js, how to connect our React application to the backend Node.js. So these are the 10 hands-on projects that we will be building in this course. So for this course, there is only one prerequisite. You should be having some basic knowledge about the React.js. Thank you. See you in the course.